What new forms of complexity will appear at threshold 9? Of course, we don't know. Threshold 9 will include some things that have never been seen before, with entirely new qualities, just like every other threshold. We know for certain that thresholds 1 to 4 have been crossed throughout the universe. But is it possible that other thresholds may also have been crossed elsewhere? Many astrobiologists argue that life may have been created on billions of other planets. This is because the Goldilocks conditions for threshold 5 are actually relatively common, particularly on rocky planets orbiting at the right distance from their home stars. And once life starts evolving, it's a pretty good guess that it will eventually form large, multicellular organisms. Some will probably evolve brains and perhaps even improved forms of language, and maybe even the ability to learn collectively. If these speculations are right, there may have been billions of planets with creatures capable of collective learning, and some may have already crossed threshold 9. Let's imagine what this threshold could be. Maybe it involves humans migrating to other planets and star systems, and once we've got there, we might even meet other creatures capable of collective learning. Or perhaps we'll cross threshold 9 when artificial intelligence surpasses the creativity of human intelligence. Or maybe threshold 9 will be the threshold of sustainability. It'll be marked by a more balanced and more complex relationship between humans and the biosphere. We may find ways of curing diseases, of extending lifetimes, and improving the quality of life for future generations. And we could do this while sharing this planet more equitably with the millions of other species that live here too. Imagining what might lie ahead is both fun and important, and who knows, you might even play a role in helping us across the next threshold.